What's the meaning of baddy? Baddy. Baddy.
Baddy. Baddy. The term baddy is a colloquialism used to refer to a person who is deemed to be a villain or antagonist in a particular situation. In many contexts, this term is used as a shorthand for bad guy, and it can be applied to a wide range of different character types, from cartoonish supervillains to more realistic depictions of criminals and wrongdoers. Oftentimes, the term baddy is used in a playful or light-hearted way, although it can also be used in a more serious and ominous tone. The term baddy is most commonly used in English-speaking countries and is a relatively informal term.